This is the import-export section. If you want to upload a single item which is not dismantled with the car, here is the option to upload an item individually. In this video, we will show you how to do it. First, we will select the brand. If you want to upload a new or a remanufactured part, it will go under its brand name, which will be available on your request. If you want to upload a used part, it will go under Recycler, in which the catalog of brand number is preloaded. Next, you will select the category of the part to identify which group the part belongs to. Next, you will select the subcategory of the part to optimize customer, backend, and Google search. Next, you will select the part name which you're going to upload. There are several ways to bring the vehicle. If the part you wish to upload is engine dependent, simply enter the engine code and it will give you a list of all vehicles which share the same engine code. You can further filter down on year basis. If the part you want to upload fits to the year 1994 engine, you can enter the year, click on the search button, and it will give you a list of all vehicles which share the same engine code and belongs to the year 1994. The second way to bring the vehicle is by selecting the make and the model of the vehicle. First, you will select the make and then the model of the vehicle. It will now provide you with a list of specific model with different body type, engine size, drive type, and year. You can also narrow down your search by selecting the body type. You can further narrow down your search result by selecting the engine size. And you can further filter down the search by selecting the drive type. You can also add the year of the vehicle for further filter. The radio button is to select the donor vehicle model, and the square button is to select the vehicle's model which are compatible with the part you're going to upload. This is the manufacturer start and end year of the vehicle. If your selected part fitment year is different from the manufacturing year of the vehicle, you can change it individually or collectively, and that fitment year will apply on the selected vehicle on which you have checked the square box. For example, if you look at the third vehicle, its manufacturing year is from 1992 to 1995, and your selected part fitment year is from 1992 to 1994. You can select the year from the drop-down and change it accordingly. Now you will see how to enter stock. You can click on the brand number for required fitting location and fitting position. You don't need to enter the brand number manually. Just click on the used option and it will enter the brand number by itself. Stock title is the part name extension, which is optional. It will improve the search on Google and eBay. You can add any information here, for example, number for the part, or any keyword. You can enter the quantity of the part here. And now you can enter the price of the part. You can also add the images of the part. In the item condition box, you can enter the condition of the part or any information regarding the part. Next, you will enter the location number of the part in the warehouse location box. Warehouse location number indicates where the part is stored. Finally, you will enter the item ID. Item ID is a unique ID which you have written or you can write on the part for the future quick search. Brand number is the reference ID of the part, but we have given an option to dismantlers to create their own item ID, which can be anything, and it is connected to the brand number. This method is very useful for break-a-yard. because it gives them a traditional way of writing the number on the part which is connected with the brand number. When you take the picture of the part, make sure that the item ID is visible in the picture. Write the item ID on the part by a white Tipik pen so it can be visible on any of your pictures. To save all of the information, click on the Submit button. Now you have created a part which can be searched by brand number, make and model of the vehicle, item ID given by you, warehouse location, or from your picture. So if any of this information is misplaced, you can still search the part.